Welcome to the introduction video for the ThermoPro TP27 cooking thermometer. I'm going to show you what you can expect to find in the package contents for your TP27. Out of the box, you will receive a user manual, a customer support card, 2 probe clips, 1 transmitter, 1 receiver, 4 color-coated stainless steel probes, and 4 AAA batteries. I'll now show you how to set up your TP27. First, remove the battery cover on the back of the receiver and insert the batteries. Reattach the battery cover on the back of the unit. Feel free to remove the protective film from the display. Remove the battery cover on the back of the transmitter and insert the batteries. Reattach the battery cover on the back of the unit. Once complete, insert the color-coated probes into their corresponding ports. The receiver should now be in sync with the transmitter. On the back of your transmitter, you will have a kitchen hook, a magnetic back, and a tabletop stand. On the back of the receiver, you will have a magnet as well as a belt clip. On the display of your transmitter, you will have your target temperature reading, your current temperature reading, and an alarm icon. There is also a touch-sensitive backlight button for usage in low light conditions. On the display of your receiver, you will see your current temperature readings. It also has a touch-sensitive backlight for usage in low light conditions. I'll now show you how to set a barbecue temperature range. Press the probe button to select probe 1. After, press the barbecue meat button to switch to the barbecue temperature range setting. Press and hold the set button for 3 seconds and you will see the default high setting begin to flash. Use the up or down buttons to raise or lower the set temperature. You can hold down the button to rapidly scroll through the digits. Press the set button to confirm your setting and it will automatically change to the default low setting. Once again, use the up and down buttons to raise or lower the setting and press set to confirm that setting. These settings will automatically sync up with the receiver. To set your own temperature, press the probe button to select probe 2. And then press the barbecue meat button to select the meat setting. Press and hold the set button for 3 seconds and you will see the default meat temperature of 160 degrees begin to flash. Use the up and down buttons to adjust the temperature setting and press set to confirm the temperature setting. To activate the alarm, use the probe button to select any probe, and then press and hold down the probe button for 3 seconds to turn the alarm on or off. You will see the alarm icon appear and disappear. And then press set to confirm the alarm setting. Should the devices ever unpair from each other, simply press the power resync button to resync the devices. Now, your TP27 is perfectly ready to use. Introduce your kitchen to the ThermoPro TP27 cooking thermometer.